So, will there be any unexpected costs? Hey, I'm Jared. I'm an exterior consultant with Van Martin Roofing. One question I get all the time is, am I going to run into any surprise costs once the work starts? And that's a really fair question, so let's talk about it. At Van Martin, we do everything possible to prevent surprises, both during and after your roof installation. Before any work begins, we perform a full roof and attic inspection. That includes checking 1. The roof decking, which is the wood base beneath your shingles for rot or soft spots. 2. Ventilation system in your attic. Poor ventilation can cause premature shingle failure or hidden moisture buildup. 3 is the flashing, those thin metal pieces that seal areas around chimneys, skylights, and vents to prevent leaks. This inspection lets us find potential issues early before they turn into unexpected costs down the road. That said, sometimes there are hidden problems we simply cannot see until the shingles come off. Things like rotted wood, hidden moisture damage trapped underneath the old roof. When that happens, we don't just move forward and hand you a surprise bill. We stop immediately, take detailed photos, and show you exactly what we found. Then we walk through your options before doing anything else. At Van Martin, we believe in total transparency. That means if there's any extra work to be done, you'll know what it is, why it's needed, and exactly how much it's going to cost before we move forward. Sometimes, we even show you on site how much decking needs replaced or whether the problem is minor or more significant. Our goal is simple: no surprises, no confusion, and no frustration. We'd much rather have an honest 5-minute conversation up front than leave a customer disappointed later. That's how we earn trust, and that's how roofing should always be done. If you want a clear, upfront estimate with no hidden costs or surprises, click the link in our bio to schedule your free estimate today.